Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a quick little hair review and unboxing of this hair unit that I'm wearing right now. This is Alipearl hair. It is the deep wave hair. I have a 16-inch, a 14-inch, and a 12-inch 6x6 lace transparent closure. If you guys want to see how I like this hair, how my unboxing went, and how my hair came when I first got it, just continue watching. I'm gonna give y'all a little snippet of what the hair looks like when it was done. This is just me with the braid out, and if you guys want to see some more and a little bit more detail about the hair, please continue watching, y'all. So this is me initially just opening up my package. It took about maybe 3 to 4 days, I think, for my hair to actually come in the mail. It did come a day earlier than it was expected to deliver. Now I'm just kind of dumping out the bag, seeing what's inside of there. As you can see, they did provide me with a wig cap. I didn't actually end up using it because, as you can see, the skin color was just a little bit off. And I wouldn't even blame the hair company for that because I wasn't specific on what color cap I wanted. I kind of just didn't really pay attention to that part. But I am happy that they did send a wig cap with the hair. So this is the hair all together after everything's been unbagged and unboxed. This is the 12-inch closure that I ordered. It is 6x6 and it is supposed to be transparent lace. We're just opening that up just to kind of get a feel of how the closure is. As you can see, that is the curl pattern that initially the hair had. This is the lace, and this is just showing you what it looks like straight out of the package, no bleach knots. And I'm just going to do a nice little comparison against my skin. Y'all, look at that lace. That is straight scalp. And like I said, this is before I even tried the bleach knots. And the hairline is already pre-plucked. And I really, really love that, y'all. There is so much surface space on this hair. Like, it's so much versatility and so much you can do with this hair. So now I'm just going in and opening my next bundle. This is the 14-inch bundle deep wave hair to go along with my closure. And I'm just kind of showing you guys what that hair looks like when you start to pull it out and, you know, just to undefine those curls. As you can see, the curl pattern to me came out a lot better than I expected it to. I really expected like a loose, crinkly wave, which it is a wavy, but I like how the hair has an actual curl to the end. I'm just showing you guys now what the 16-inch bundle looks like and how it comes straight out of the bag. Like I said, you can see the definition in the curls and just how curly and nice and shiny, a nice luster that the hair has. It is so soft, y'all. I wish y'all could feel it through the camera. It's very, very soft. Even after I dyed the hair, it did remain nice and soft. So I really, really like that. Overall, I had no issues with this hair whatsoever. The only issue that I actually ran into is that I had to bleach my knots twice, but I think that was because I didn't make the bleaching formula thick enough to really just sit up there and penetrate the knots like I wanted it to. So I did end up bleaching my knots twice, but I actually didn't need to bleach my knots at all. So again, I'm just showing you guys what the curl pattern and everything looks like. This is just a close-up so you guys can kind of get a feel of the luster of the hair and the curl pattern and how it looked when I first got it. Hi YouTube family, welcome back to another video. This video is just going to be a quick little short hair review on some hair that I purchased recently. And before I start the video off, I do want to explain that this video is 100% not sponsored. I bought this hair out of my own hard-earned money. I've heard, you know, plenty of good reviews about Alipearl, and I just figured, you know, the best way for me to find out if it's a good quality hair brand for me to purchase from more often is for me to purchase from it. So I purchased 6x6 closure, transparent lace, and then I also ordered 3 bundles. I ordered 2 16 bundles and 1 14-inch bundle. And my sew-ins, though, this is actually a sew-in. I do like to use only 2 bundles or maybe a bundle and a half, and especially because this was a 6x6 closure and there was so much space that was taken up just by the closure unit itself, I only ended up using pretty much exactly 2 bundles, 1 16-inch and 1 14-inch. So this is the finished results. This is what it looks like. give you guys a spin. And I also do want to mention that this is the hair in a dry look. All I did last night for this hair was pretty much just put a little water on it to detangle, and I just braided it up. And this is the result of when I took out my braid out. So far I don't really have many issues with this hair. After me dyeing the hair, I actually did use bleach this time. Usually on my hair I try to use box dyes because it's a little bit less harmful than actually bleaching your hair, but for some reason I just decided to use bleach this time. And as you can see, I'm going to put in a snippet of the original curl pattern. As you can see, the curl pattern is still pretty much intact. This is kind of stretched out because, like I said, I did braid up my hair last night. So this is kind of like a stretched more look. And I will show you guys how the hair looks when it's wetted. So the curl pattern stayed and the hair is still really soft. Didn't really do much damage to the hair itself. The closure is very versatile. I'm going to show you guys how versatile the closure really is. So I have my closure parted in the middle part, and I haven't even really customized my hairline. I just wanted to show you guys how it looked pretty much like freshly installed without all the little last minute touches and baby hairs and all that. I also do want to mention that when I do first get a new hair unit, I don't like to customize it too much in the beginning because I feel like when I do that, I'm only able to wear it in one style. And since this was a 6x6 closure, I really like the fact that it had so much space that it gave me a lot of versatility. And I didn't want to take that versatility away by, you know, pretty much customize it where I can only wear it in one certain style. So, you know, it probably would have looked more customized if I were to probably pluck my parts a little bit more out, but like I said, I don't want it really customized like that because I'm not going to only want to wear it in the middle part. I really actually do intend on wearing it into a side part, but when I do that, I'm probably going to just sew it into a side part. Just want to show you guys how natural looking this lace is. Let me get a picture of that. So the lace is really natural looking. To do like last minute touch-ups, I'm probably going to put this down with a little bit of lace glue and just fill in the top. But like I said, for now, I don't really want it super customized. I'm just gonna wait. As I wear it longer and longer, I'll probably customize it to a point where I can only wear it in one style. But for now, I don't really want that. So initially, the hair is still really soft. I'm gonna also include my video when I first opened the hair so you guys can see what it looked like before I dyed it. If you guys would like to see how I installed this hair, the video link will be in the description of this video. And again, I got this hair from Alipearl on AliExpress. It is a 6x6 closure unit with 2 bundles of one of 16 and one of 14 that's currently in my hair. I bleached the hair to a 430-ish color. The roots are kind of like a 4 and then the ends are kind of like a 30, possibly close to a 27 type of color. And yeah, I haven't had any problems with it. I haven't had much shedding with the hair. I haven't had a lot of tangling. As of maintenance, all I really do is kind of do like maybe a little bit of water and conditioner or just water by itself, wet it up a little bit, and that's pretty much my maintenance with this hair. And like I said, I am going to show you guys what the hair looks like when it's wetted so that you guys can really get a feel of how this hair is. This is the deep wave. I forgot to mention the texture, but this is deep wave. So this is just me trying to show you guys what the hair looks like when it is applied to water. I'm just taking my paddle brush, adding a little bit of water to the end of the brush and just taking it through the ends of the hair and the base of the hair, just so I can show you guys how the luster of the hair changes and how the curl pattern changes when applied with water. And I'm just showing you guys how the curls stretch when it comes to water. So as you can see, they straighten out, but then they start to scrunch exactly right back up shortly after that. So this hair stayed super soft throughout the whole process of me bleaching the hair. The actual texture of the hair to me didn't change much throughout the bleaching process. Overall, I really love this hair, and I definitely will be ordering from the vendor again. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to this video, and thanks for watching.